Hello everyone, welcome back to my next tutorial in NX. In this tutorial, we are going to model this machine component using NX. While modeling any component in NX, first do the add material feature, then go for the remove material feature. First I am going to start with here. For that, first go to the NX. This is the component we are going to create it in the NX. These are the steps I will follow to create the model. In this tutorial, we'll learn step by step how to model this component using NX. For that, first go to the file, new, choose model, choose millimeter, specify the file name, specify the location where you want to save the file, save OK. First I'm going to start with this cube, go to the sketch. I'm just taking the front plane, say OK. Take the rectangle, just create a rectangle. This width is 48, say yes. And height is 36. Press the roller to confirm. Then make a symmetric to both the sides. Say apply. Save OK. Now the sketch is fully defined. Then go for finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion is 24 plus 24. That is 48. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we just want to create this cylinder. For that, go to the sketch. Select the surface. Say OK. Take a circle, create a circle, press the roller to confirm. The cylinder diameter is, here they have given 30. So specify the value of 30, press enter, press the roller to confirm, then go for finish sketch, extrude, change the direction. Here we make it unite. Total length of extrusion is, here you can see 24 plus. Here, from here we are doing it plus 24 plus 36 plus 84. 24 plus 36 plus 84 plus enter it, save OK. Now we have created cylinder up to this. Now we just want to create this cylinder with the diameter of 60. For that, just rotate it here like this. Just go for the sketch. Select this top plane. The same view, save OK. Now just take a circle, just create a circle. The diameter of the circle is 60. Say yes. From the center point to the center distance is, here you can see 36 plus 84. 36 plus 84, press enter it, press the roller to confirm. Finish sketch. Now go to extrude again, make it symmetric value. The both side extrusion is, here you can see 12, this side is 12, similarly this side also be 12, the diameter is 30. So 30 plus 24, save OK. Now we have created this cylinder also. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch, select this right plane, save OK. Take a circle. The circle is located, the center of the circle is located from this edge is 36. Say yes. And the diameter is, they have given a radius of 18. Then diameter will be 36. Then the center of the circle to the center distance, they are not given. Instead, they have given from here to here, which is 15. Just add this distance. The totally, this distance is 54. The distance is 27 plus half of the value of 54 is 27 plus 15. Press the roller to confirm. Now take a line. From here to draw a vertical line. From here to here, just connect it somewhere here. Then just connect these two lines. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. This is inclined line. Make it a vertical line. This distance they have given from here to this distance, which is 30. Press the roller to confirm. Now go to the trim. Trim this one. Finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion is 12. Say OK. Just hide this sketch. This one we have created. Then we'll create this feature. For that, go to the sketch again. Same right plane. Say OK. Now just take a circle. First take a line. Just create a line like this. Vertical line. Press the roller to confirm. Again press the roller to confirm. Then take a circle. Create a circle like this. The diameter of the circle is 30. Press the roller to confirm. The center distance is from here to the center of the circle is 50. Press the roller to confirm. Go for trim. Remove this one. Close it. Then take a line from here to the tangent line. From here to close the sketch. Then go for trim. Trim this one. Close it. Close it again. Go for finish sketch. Then go for extrude. Make it symmetric value. The total extrusion is 36. Say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created all the material addition features. Then we'll create the material removal features. First we'll start with this slot cut. For that, go to the sketch. Select this front plane. Say OK. Take a rectangle. Use entire sketch. Just create a rectangle like this. This one and this one, you make it the distance of 0. And this distance, you make it 12. And from here to here, this axis, you make it make this one as a symmetric. This height you can specify it same 54 also. Just go for finish sketch. Extrude. Make it symmetric value. Give some value of 60. Material removal. Subtract. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we have created this slot also. Then we'll start creating holes. First take this hole, standard hole. First I'm creating a hole here. This hole with the diameter is 12. The diameter is 12 mm. Normal to the face, throughout the body, just apply it. Then we'll create hole here. This is we can create by the circle only. So just go and create a hole here. This hole with the diameter is 18 mm. Normal to the body. Until next, say OK. Similarly, we just want to create a hole here. The diameter of the hole is 25. Until next, normal to the face, say apply. Then close it. Then finally, we just want to create a hole here as well as here. For the first, go to the sketch. Select the surface, say OK. Take a circle. Create a hole. Control Z. Control Z. Take a circle. Just create a hole. Select this hole diameter as 18. Just finish sketch. Extrude. Change the direction. Subtract. Here we make it throughout the body. Save OK. Just hide the sketch. Then finally we just want to create a hole here. with M14 with a 2 mm pitch tapping thread. For that, go to the sketch, select the surface, say OK. Take a circle, just create a circle. The diameter of the circle is 14. Press the roller to confirm. Then go for finish sketch, extrude, change the direction. Here we make it until next. Only the top side we have threads. Subtract, say OK. Just hide the sketch. Now we just want to make a thread here. To make a thread, go to the menu, insert. There is an option called design feature. Here, thread. Now select this cylindrical surface. Automatically it will come with the standard threads of metric M16 into 2. Just say OK. That's it. Now just right click here, go for orient view, isometric view. Now we have created these all features, this world, this feature, and this feature, and this feature. In that we have finished this model. I hope you like this tutorial. If you like this video, please share to your friends. Next tutorial will come up with a new component. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you.